Come take a look at this 2008 Nissan Frontier. This Frontier has just under 79,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Frontier boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tinted windows, driver airbag and bed liner. Call 954-602-0777 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test